Hey guys, this is Alrighty Then, and I'm gonna be taking apart this Glock 17, doing a complete strip, as complete as can be. I will not be taking the firing pin assembly apart. I will not be taking the trigger from the trigger block, but everything else is pretty much going to be taken apart. And I'm going to be doing it blindfolded to show you how easy it is to do it with the Glock. So here we go. So even with the blindfold on, I have the gun, and this is all I need right here. This little tool, just a regular punch. So here we go. We're going to remove the magazine and show that the magazine is empty. Do you verify that the magazine is empty?
Verified.
I'm going to open the slide and feel, because I can't see, that there is no cartridge in the chamber and that there is no magazine. Do you verify that there is no cartridge or magazine in the chamber?
Yes.
You do verify.
Verified.
All right, so now I'm going to release it. Now, this is, so with the Glock, you have to press the trigger. So pointing it in a safe direction, I'm going to press the trigger. And I'm going to show you with one hand, you can take the Glock apart just like that without having to do too much. So here we have the slide. I'm going to take the spring out, the barrel. Now in here we've got the firing pin, which I'm going to remove. Take the tool, set it in just like that. The back plate comes out. The firing pin comes out. I will not be taking this apart. I already cleaned the gun. This is the ejector spring. That comes out as well. I'm going to be taking the ejector out and the firing pin safety and the firing pin safety spring and putting that aside. Hopefully they don't roll away, but I will find them. So now the slide has been completely disassembled. Okay? I'm going to put that aside. Now for the gun. The pins are removed from left to right, so I'm going to take the back pin out. Come on. Where's that back pin? Here it is. Oh, Jesus, where the hell is that pin? Got it. Okay. So there goes the trigger block pin. There are 3 pins on the Gen 3 Glock 17. Now I'm going to remove this is my that's that. There's the little pin for that. So that one comes out. Okay. Baby, did something fall?
No.
Okay.
It was Charlie.
This is my slide catch. The locking block is coming next. Here's the locking block. Here is the trigger and the trigger block. So everything here has been disassembled. Now I can remove this from here, but it would be tricky, a little bit hard to do it. I mean, I think I could, but I'm just gonna leave it like that to take this blindfolded, but that's it. So pretty much the gun has been stripped. All internals have been removed. Everything has been removed. So now we're gonna put it back together, okay? So let's start with the slide. Here's my slide. This is my firing pin. Before we put the firing pin though, we need to put the firing pin spring. And this is the metal on metal. This goes here. All right, before I finish with that, I need to put the little spring on here. Okay, I have this. Here it is. We're gonna put the back plate on. Hear that click? That's the sound of freedom right there. Hear that? The firing pin is installed correctly. I have my ejector correctly. So here comes the barrel. The spring. All right, so the slide is assembled. Now we're gonna assemble the frame. So here comes the trigger assembly. as plastic. So that's the rear pin. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in right now. Okay, now comes the locking block. Just like that. Now comes the, this is the magazine catch. But before I do that, I need to put the little pin, this one, into the top hole to hold the locking block in place. That goes in just like that. Now comes the so this is a catch. We're gonna hear a little click. There we go. So now there should be no more parts on my table, which there are none. Now we're going to take the slide and put it back together. There's nobody in front of me. It's clear. It's working. Here comes the magazine. It locks back, closes, magazine comes out, locks back, and it falls down. All right, that was it. No missing parts. Fully functioning. So, let me tell you, try doing this with a Smith & Wesson or any other type of gun. It's not going to happen. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and try it out. See if you can do it. Talk to you guys later.